Main parts of a computer. Let us learn about the main parts of a computer. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We watch cartoons, videos, movies, photos, drawings, documents, etc. on the monitor. Keyboard. Have you seen a landline phone? It has small buttons on it. To dial a number, we press the buttons. In the same way, we press the buttons on the keyboard to tell the computer what to do. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. We press the keys on the keyboard to tell the computer what to do. Using the keyboard, we can type letters, numbers, etc. Mouse. Have you seen a mouse? A computer also has a mouse. The computer mouse looks quite similar to a real mouse. It is connected to the CPU and cabinet box by a long wire that looks like a tail. A mouse has buttons on it. We use a mouse to tell the computer what to do by selecting and pointing at things on the monitor. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is inside the CPU box and cabinet. It controls all the other parts of a computer. CPU works like the brain of a computer.